Morning, it's day 3 of JavaOne. Let's get going.
Dynamically priced based on demand. And why a data grid actually gets used for something like this is you end up having large amounts of information, too much information for you to be able to fit in a single JVM. And you also want to be able to take advantage of all the CPUs scaling out across multiple servers.
There, did you hand out the channels? Okay, so most of you should have on your desk, you'll have a sheet of paper that says this is your channel. Okay.
With the sunspot.
That was my boss also who just told me that I shouldn't worry about this. You need some help? I'm going to say this.
We're at the sunspot. This is the sunspot. You can see how big it is.
We have, I believe, 13 proctors because I was a bit nervous about how this was going to work out. This many boards around.
And we have a CD for the lab and some information. Hopefully it'll go well. I'll let you know how it goes.
You can see it up on the screens now. It's really pretty cool. It doesn't have the sensor package that the TrackBot does. So we're looking forward to moving to those when they're up and running. But for now, we've been doing our work with it. It's the one that has a weak network connection and is trying to correct the problem. And after a while, you'll see the rest of them will start moving to try and correct it too. Meanwhile, if you look back up on the screen, you'll notice that the interface to SpotWorld is showing those 5 bots. So after David turned them on, they register in with the interface and show you what's going on, giving the MAC address there, and then it's also giving real time.
So we've just done a midlet for the sunspot that has the accelerometers on here responding to the. It changes the light. We're at the JavaOne conference, and this is the sunspot demo or lab, and this gentleman's kind enough to help me manage this thing. This is a base station sunspot, and it's talking to this TrackBot right here. Can you see that? And let's see if we can do it. It is so cool. Thank you very much, sir.
It can send messages to everybody else just like the other ones do. And so it just totally integrates very cleanly. So this one is one he's designed. It's got actually 2 sonars for kind of distance ranging.
And then you can find
left and right, so you can track things.
Over HTTP, which also creates a history entry. So to either change anything visually or to perform any action on the server requires a round trip. That creates history entries, and it creates lag, this sort of abandonment opportunities where users see a blank page and they have to wait until it comes. So that's not such a big deal.
We want you to learn about some advanced features in Swing and Java 2D, to learn how to create impressive and visually stunning UIs. And we're not telling you to do exactly what we do in our slides, but we are hoping that you will learn stuff about these APIs so that you can create your own effects and create your own visually stunning applications. And part of the talk is also to have fun. The Java 2D team and it is everything about native code, acceleration, performance, hardware thingies that I don't understand. So at the end of the talk, if you have questions about performance, that's for him. So we'll start really quickly with an introduction. And it turns to full color pictures. So very subtle effect.
Looks a lot like this. And this is true of a lot of languages, really. But JavaScript poses a lot of unique problems because of all of the different technologies that are involved with it. So CSS and HTML and JavaScript itself, DOM, XML.
I'm going to show you some examples of model descriptions of existing web APIs. And then we're going to focus in on some Java tools for working with model. And we'll finish up with a demo. So before we get started, I'd like to get kind of a show of hands.
What a day. It's pretty late at night on Wednesday. and we have one more day left. And we learned lots of great stuff. Java FX sounds really neat.